I'm going to do another Dutch pour, and I'm going to try this blower that I saw Erica on Artist Till Death use. Like I said, I got it for 12 bucks, 10 or 12 on Amazon, and they were going for 40 on other sites, so I picked one up, but now I think they're out of stock, but I will put the link down below in the description, and maybe they'll get them back in. But it was just too strong for my Shelee Bloom technique, even though Erica used it for that. It's just too strong. It does have a nice end on it. You can see it's sort of angled, which is good. So I'm going to try it on a Dutch pour again. The colors I'm using, well, let me go ahead and lay this white down. This is Artist Loft White with water and Floetrol only. I'm going to try to spread it out with, and I've done it before, this is silicone spatula. So I'm going to spread it out with that. It's thin enough so it should just lay right down if there's any lines. So let me get this going. Alright, let's lay down the colors. I think I'm going to go diagonal on this. The last time I didn't have enough paint on there, so let's give it a shot. This is a lemon yellow from Artist Loft. This is Chromacryl Acrylics Essentials. And this is purple. This is Aqua Green, Artist Loft. Get some other green going with that yellow. This is Ultramarine Blue. This is Winsor & Newton. And Artist Loft Gold. Okay, and by the way, I did put a little bit of the Artist Loft Iridescent Medium in just the lemon yellow. I don't know if it'll show up here, but maybe, I hope. I like using that. And by the way, before I do this, my tip of the day is, I don't know if you're all using this already, but it's Glad Press and Seal. So if you have cups like I do here, and you don't have tops for them, you just wipe the top off and stick this on it and you're good to go. Once in a while I see this at the dollar store. So anyway, my tip of the day. Let's go ahead and put some white around it. Not very much. I don't want very much. So this is pretty powerful for the size. So if you're looking to do smaller canvases, this is just going to give you a smaller bloom or petal or whatever you want to call them. It'll just be smaller because the end is smaller than the blow dryer. So let's get going. Okay. Let's start here. worked out good. Pretty. See how much smaller the ends are? So I won't blow the edges out, but it's plenty strong for, well, even a big canvas if you want the smaller petals. Let me see what we get here. All the paints are just mixed with water and Floetrol only to a thin consistency where it doesn't create a mound. And I tried to get all the paints, I didn't measure, but I tried to get the white and the colors all the same consistency. But it's not exact, so I might start measuring that. Interesting. Pretty. I'm surprised that yellow came out so hard there. Let me bring you up. Splash. I'm watching my granddaughter while my daughter went skiing in Tahoe. Okay, let's see. Yellow. A lot of nice cells. Go ahead and turn it around. See right there. Wow, the yellow didn't get buried. That's cool. So I'll take some pictures. It'll be on the end of this video. And if you can, like I said, support me, join my Facebook page, go on my Instagram, and just subscribe here if you haven't already. I just appreciate everybody that has subscribed, and I'll just keep making more. I love experimenting. Cheers, and I will see you next time. Bye.